explain resistance switching in circuit breaker. So oscillations of high voltage magnitude are produced when the inductive current or a capacitive current is broken or are broken, that is chopped. This may damage the system. So to prevent this, a resistor is connected across the contacts of the circuit breaker. A bypass resistor across the contacts of circuit breaker is connected. This is called resistance switching. The contacts of the circuit breaker open and the arc is produced across the contacts, that is the moving contact are separating from the fixed contact when the fault occurs. So as the resistance R is connected across the contacts of the circuit breaker, some part of the arc current flows through that resistor. So the value of the arc current decreases and the rate of deionization of the path increases. So the arc resistance increases and hence the value of current flowing through the shunt resistance R increases continuously. So this shunt resistance prevents the increase of restriking voltage and it increases exponentially with the time. So and it is increasing up to the value of recovery voltage. Hence the value of R should be selected such that the circuit becomes the oscillatory or critically damped type. Due to the resistance switching, there is decrease in rate of rise of restriking voltage. So the burden on the circuit breaker contacts decreases. High frequency restriking voltage transient produced at the time of switching off of the inductive or a capacitive load and are damped. Transient recovery voltage is distributed equally across the contact gap in multi-break circuit breaker. The post-zero resistance, that is the after the fault current quenching, the contact space, the post-zero resistance of the contact space is low in plain break circuit breaker. So resistance switching is not needed in that case. But in case of air blast circuit breaker, the value of the post-zero resistance is more compared to that. So the voltage transients are produced due to the current chopping and hence the resistance switching is employed for the air blast type circuit breaker. So this is how the resistance switching in circuit breaker can be understood.